Hello friends, welcome to Momentum Stocks, and I hope you had a wonderful weekend, and thank you so much for the Friendship Day wishes, and wish you all a very happy Friendship Day too. Coming to our analysis for today. See friends, I had given you BPCL for a sell, okay, and you can see the rally came immediately, very good profit, okay, and I had given you a Adani ports for a buy, okay, see a good gap up followed by a downward, okay, but this gap up followed by this momentum were all capturable momentums, friends. Hope you all made money there, and we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and one stock for buy and one stock for sell in this video. And if you have still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends, family members, basically relatives, or basically anyone who is interested in making money from stock market. So friends, the chart for Nifty is open. We see Nifty is making a kind of a double top pattern. Okay, here most of the people should be bearish on it, and I think that would not be the case. Now see friends, global market is negative. Okay, SGX Nifty is negative. Keeping that in mind, getting a gap down is very much normal. This particular gap will be filled already by the time we see this. Somewhere here is what we are expecting to start, and in my opinion the market will get bullish from there. How? See, as soon as the market starts, there can be, we have already seen this particular breakdown in the last trading session, and followed by a retest kind of thing and a gap down here. So the target for this breakdown is already met. Now coming to my view, look at this. This is a nice trend line which has to be broken for it to become extremely bullish. Will it break in one day? Yes, is what I feel. Now, those who are very aggressive traders can go ahead and create a buy position as soon as we start somewhere here. Okay, why? Because at that time we will be exactly 26.3 levels, which is the first retracement Fibo level. Okay, if you have not seen that video, which is on 2nd of August, please see that video. That video is very informative about Nifty and Bank Nifty, friends. So from here I am bullish for it to go upwards, friends. Will it go ahead and touch this or break this trend line and continue to go upwards? That we don't know, but meeting this trend line is not so difficult is what I feel. Probably it might go act uh, be there for some time followed by a break, but this achieving this trend line in one go is not at all difficult is what I feel, friends. Coming to analysis for Bank Nifty, before that, when will we sell on Nifty, friends? This is a very good question. We will sell on Nifty to cover this gap, and until it comes till here, okay, until this breakdown is clearly not seen, we would not sell in Nifty, friends. Okay, once we see this breakdown, that is when we'll start creating a sell position in Nifty. Hope you understood the logic behind it. Coming to Bank Nifty, again same bullish trend. We, if Nifty is down by some 70-80 points, as we can see, Bank Nifty will be definitely down by 200 to 250 points, 250 points, friends. So expecting a start somewhere at 700 levels will not be a surprise. 650 to 700 levels. Okay. From there, again, same thing. This is the trend line. Breakout. If you are safe traders, wait for this trend line to break. If you are aggressive traders, make sure you make your position somewhere here itself in this level as soon as it opens. This gap is definitely going to fill. Okay, will we go ahead and hit this top? Yes, we'll hit the top. Cross it? Big question. Probably not in one go, but if it hovers here for some time, then definitely it will go ahead and break this, friends. That's what I feel. At this levels, if you see, continuously since last 3 4 5 days we have been sideways. So now Nifty and Bank Nifty both, let's talk about Bank Nifty here, is ready for a big move after 4 5 days continuous sideways. It's ready for a big move. Now that big new move can be upward or downwards. And when will we create a sell position? Only after this breakdown, friends, not before this. Okay, that is only when we'll create a sell kind of a position. Otherwise we are still bullish on the market, friends. Coming to the buy stock for the day. Buy stock for the day is Ultratech Cement. Reason, look at the trend, friends. It came up from here followed by sideways momentum. If you look at it in a 5 minutes, continuously bullish. Okay, Ultratech has got a long term target of 9,000 rupees to 9,500 rupees, friends. Yes, it is 9,000, not 6,000, 7,000. Now why am I bullish on this stock? Reason is simple, friends. If you go on a daily time frame, okay, it has gone ahead and engulfed last 5 candles, friends. 1 2 3 4 and actually 4 candles. Fifth candle has engulfed all the 4 candles in one day. What does that mean? That means it is extra bullish. Okay, the breakout has already come. Tomorrow when we start, probably we'll start somewhere here. Very good place to buy and continue an upward momentum there. Coming to another reason, look at this, friends. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, followed by your right shoulder and a breakout with a sideways momentum. Now this is a clear indication of an upward momentum. Okay, that is the reason I am giving it for a buy. Coming to the next stock, that is a sell stock, which is Britannia, friends. What do we see in Britannia? Simple. It's continuously in selling trend since last few days. This particular support was clearly broken. Oh, let me show. This support was clearly broken. Okay, followed by a retest kind of thing, and then it is going to fall further. Okay, so that is the reason I am considering this as a sell stock for tomorrow. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching the videos and continue making profit, friends. And if you are liking the channel, you already know what to do. Also share it with your friends and family members. And one more important announcement, friends. If you are looking forward for analysis of any particular stock, please put it in the comment box. I'll make sure that I post a video on analysis of that particular stock as well, so that you get a clear picture as to where you stand, friends. In your comments, please mention your entry and also approximate date of entry so that I can get a clear picture as to what you are looking for, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and wish you a profitable week next week, friends.